Take a ride in the 2018 Yaris IA. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, audio, internet radio, AHA, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.